Hi friends. So sometimes people ask me a question, right? How to start investing with little money, right? So there is a misconception among people that if if you really want to plan your finances, that you need to have a lot of money. But the truth is, if you have little money, you need to be more judicious in order to figure out how to invest that money. The first thing which you should need which you need to remember is set clear financial goals. Understand why you are investing. Define your goals. Is it for a down payment of a house? Is it for funding your kids education? Or you want to contribute to building a retirement corpus? So understand what is the timeline for your goals. Is it short term, which is maybe 1 to 3 years, or a long term, which is 5 plus years? Because this will really guide your investment choices, right? Second thing which people should remember is create a budget. Monitor your monthly expenses using a simple Excel sheet. Identify areas wherein you can cut down and redirect those savings towards your investments. Okay, so that slowly and steadily you create a corpus. Even setting aside a fund of 500 to 1000 rupees a month can make a decent enough difference over a period of time. Third thing which people with low money can do, so before investing, so ensure that you have around 3 to 6 months of living expense, and this should not be in any equity related stuff. It should be either in a plain recurring deposit or a fixed deposit or a liquid fund, so that you can withdraw it anytime in case of any emergency. Fourth is create a demat and trading account. Maybe you can use any of the brokers, discount brokers like Zerodha, Grow, Upstock, which have low fees and no quarterly charges as such. You can start your SIPs in mutual funds. There are some funds which give you the option to invest with as little as 500 rupees. You can also think about PPF and APF. If you don't have it already, consider contributing to government backed saving schemes. And one important thing is automate your investments, because see, when you are starting out, the most important part for you is to get into that habit of saving and investing. And then if you can automate it, then every month a fixed amount will be deducted from your bank account, so it ensures consistency. And this is basically built around the philosophy of rupee cost averaging. So whatever the market condition, you need not track the market. You will every month a small amount will go out of your bank account and it will get invested. Educate yourself about investing and build your general skills so that you can enhance your income. Focus on long-term wealth creation rather than just trying to make a quick wealth. Please understand wealth grows with time and patience. Stick to your plan even when the markets are volatile. Consistency and discipline are crucial for long-term success. Review your portfolio every 6 to 12 months to ensure it aligns with your goals. Rebalance if needed to maintain the desired asset allocation. And as your income grows, please increase your SIP amount or invest in new funds. Okay, so please understand, it's not just about with how much you start, but how long you can do that consistent effort. Even small consistent investments can grow into a substantial wealth over time, thanks to the power of compounding. So start early, stay disciplined, and let your investments work for you. Thank you.